What's up guys, we're back with a nice simple dish. We've got a Chinese pork stir fry. Let's have a rundown of the ingredients. So let's get on to chopping the vegetables. So bell pepper. So I went to cube these. So you want them to be roughly that size. And that's going to be consistent through all the veg. Onion. And then the chilli, I'm just going to slice this at an angle. So we're just going to slice the pork and then put it in the bowl and marinate it. As soon as obviously we've got everything chopped up, we're going to be bringing in the Chinese 5-spice, which has obviously got fennel, it's got star anise, it's got some beautiful flavours in. We've got some smoked paprika. We've also got honey to add a bit of sweetness and a little bit of saltiness from the soy sauce. So just get rid of this and just wash my hands. So we add in the garlic and the ginger paste, your dried seasonings, soy sauce, honey, and a little bit of optional food colouring. This is just going to give it a nice vibrant red colour. And I'm going to need to get some gloves because this is going to get absolutely messy and I don't want to stain my hands. So obviously you can use a spoon if you've not got gloves, but we've got gloves, so just give this a good mix. So obviously we've added our marinade. The longer you leave it, the more flavourful it's going to be. So that's exactly what you're looking for. So let's get on to cooking the marinated pork. So I've got the sesame oil. We've got the heat on a medium-high. We're just going to add in the pork. So we're just going to cook off this pork. You want to try and get a nice sear on one side and then just keep trying to rotate it around the pan. So you'll probably be doing this for around 8 to 10 minutes. And it's all seared off nicely. We're going to add in our chopped vegetables. And then just give them a bit of a mix through and just wait until they go nice and soft. So I'm just going to lower the heat very slightly and we're just going to put the lid on just to allow the vegetables to steam. So now that's done, we're just going to get on to plating this up. As you can see, I've got some sticky rice. This was just pre-packet sticky rice, but you can use anything. You can use egg fried rice, and that's exactly what you're looking for. See how all the vegetables are nice and soft now? And then I've just got some prawn crackers as well. So there we have it. Nice Chinese pork stir fry. Enjoy.